Hello, just to do a quick catch up. Thank you everybody for the support. For the ones messaging us, checking on us. Thank y'all very much. We appreciate it. My husband and I both have been really sick. We've had that stomach virus. I've still got it. Just feel plain crappy. So we've been working on the house a little bit. I've been doing a couple of tests. And so overlook our mess. So far, this is what we've got done. So we got a piece of Vantech down. We're working on this. We've got to work on that. This stuff here is tongue and groove, as you can see. This is pretty sound stuff right here. I think I'm going to like it. And I've been doing kind of an experiment with the flooring. And we are not going to do laminate. And let me tell you why. I have, all the places that we've been that I've picked up samples, I have either let water touch the laminate or soak the laminate in water. And the reason for that is because what if someone spills a cup of water and you don't know about it, or your dog pees on it? Well, I'm not impressed with the laminate flooring at all. We will not be putting that down in the houses, period. Instead, we're either going to do, show what we got, and I'll show you why. We got 2 vinyl samples. We have linoleum, or we have this. This is solid vinyl, let me tell you. You ain't gonna tear this stuff up. This is a flimsy vinyl. This is from Lowe's. This is 2 colors that, so you can bend that. This stuff right here is indestructible, basically. This is from Lumber Liquidators. This is $3.79 a square foot. I think this is $1.57. So we're trying to decide which one of these we want, or if we want to keep looking. Though this is pricey. My husband and I talked about it. The remodeling that we're doing is going to be the last remodeling that we will ever do, you know, period. We'll die with this remodel. So I think we might splurge on the flooring. I don't know. That's a lot of money to spend, considering we're going to have about 450 square feet, I believe it was, because we're going to order a little extra. Or these are similar. I like the color though. I mean, this, I love this. This is, him and I both, we rarely agree on the same thing, but him and I both, we are absolutely in love with this right here. So we're going to be doing the hallway, the linen closet there, the dining room, the kitchen, utility room. Surprise for the kitchen. We have decided to actually keep the kitchen cabinets, and what I'm going to do is get in here, again, overlook my mess. I'm going to get in here and sand these cabinets, take the doors off, sand them. This is a mobile home, you have to keep that in mind. New hinges, line the doors up, new knobs. Of course, a new hood on the, above the stove. But I think what we're going to do is, the bottom ones are not that bad. It's just the drawers where the water has gotten on this, because this is just basically pressed paper is all it is. That's all this stuff is. So I got in here and was looking the other night. Under this floor here, under this here, there is no subfloor. So I think what we're going to do is take this whole cabinet out, take it out, fix a subfloor, then install this back in. We're definitely going to put new laminate countertops, or we just might buy new countertops. It's going to be a little painting, some shelves built under the cabinets. So I'm trying to get off as cheap as possible as I can to save that insurance money. Because we want to get some debt paid off with it. It is going to be a lot of work though doing those cabinets, no joke. I mean, there is a lot of work to be done on those cabinets. A lot of cabinets to do, which is okay. I'm good. It'll be fun. And so that's all for now. We're slowly working on it. We've been sick for 2 weeks with a stomach virus from hell, let me tell you. I've been feeling feverish, and I'm weak. I should have went to the hospital and got IV fluids and got rehydrated, but I didn't. And I can't seem to get enough fluids back in my system. They get tired really easy, and I just start pouring a sweat. So Alice wants to make her grand entrance. So for now, that's all we have. Some of y'all been asking. We're just working slowly on this flooring. And the finance company has not released any checks. We have sent them estimates. So I'm going to call them tomorrow and stop being the nice person and say, okay, when are you mailing the checks? Not, is there going to be checks mailed, but when are you going to be mailing checks? I mean, this is ridiculous to the point now. We're at a standstill right now. But each room that we remodel is going to be remodeled to the max. I don't have to have the newest of stuff. I'm not that type of person. I can take these cabinets and redo them myself and be happier with something that I do myself than to go spend $5,000 in cabinets. We've already went and priced just bare cabinets for this kitchen. The bottom cabinets, the cabinets alone without the countertops, it's going to be about $5,000. And I'd rather take that money and pay debt off. Of course, all the money that we're going to be saving is actually going to be money that the insurance company should have paid for labor. So right now we're at a standstill, waiting on checks from the finance company. And it's time for me to stop being the nice person with the finance company and start being demanding. And because I'm not in the mood to be nice, I don't feel good, and I'm just sick of waiting. It's been 3 weeks now. They've had plenty of time. So that's all for now. Again, we're not going to be putting laminate flooring down. It's going to be the vinyl. It was a Home Depot. I thought it was Lowe's. This is Lowe's. This is Home Depot. This is Lumber Liquidators. I know this is $3.79 a square foot. This is 99 cents a square foot. This is linoleum. Which the thing is, if you spill water on this stuff here, it won't go down in it. But this stuff here, when it gets in the cracks, it'll go up under it. So this Avantech here, I've been doing some research on it. And I'm kind of excited for us to start cutting pieces of it off so I can start doing experiments with it myself, with the sun and water. I've seen people say different things, but I actually want to try it myself. So that's going to be pretty interesting. We've got a few pieces already I can start experimenting with, but I had some laminate flooring. Yeah, here it is. This piece was actually soaking in water here. And as you can see, it has swelled up. And it's actually starting to peel off on the corner. Yeah, so definitely won't be doing laminate flooring. That is out of the question. So we're going to be going to vinyl. I'm all about waterproofing, and I guess the reason why that I'm like that is because my house in Virginia, the roof leaked on it, and it ruined the ceiling and wall in my second bathroom. And ever since then, I've been all about the waterproofing. So nothing wrong with that. But for now, that's all we have. Thank y'all for the support. I know it's been laggy, but we've had a lot going on. And we appreciate all the support with everything going on with us. Some of y'all have private messaged us. And I want to get back to doing eBay vlogs and stuff, but right now I haven't done anything with eBay. This right here has totally consumed us, that in between being sick. And I mean, that was a sickness that it was unreal, totally unreal. I've never been that sick in a long time. But it was a stomach virus, it wasn't the flu. But so that's all I have for now. Hopefully the next week or so I'm going to get in here and try to start straightening up my eBay room. You'll have to overlook it because we're just throwing stuff in here right now. But all that over in the corner has got to be put on eBay. And since this has happened with the house, we've decided to sell a bunch of furniture and stuff. We're just at that age and at that point where we're just tired of fooling with stuff. So for now, thank y'all for the support. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we're going to get back to normal. As we're putting this flooring and stuff down, I might do a live stream. I don't know. I am going to, since we got a whole 14 by 28 house, half house to paint, I'm going to try to talk my sweet husband into buying me a paint spray gun to do it with, so I don't have to do it with the roller. But if a roller is going to be cheaper, I'll do it with the roller. I just want the cheapest way out, and that way we can take that money and pay off a lot of our debt. We kind of got hit with something with today in Virginia, and it's just a big headache. We're going to have to get land surveyed and a surveillance system put up. We keep getting hit from all four corners, and I don't know if I want to beat my head with a skillet or just go run through the woods and scream and act like a mad crazy woman for just a few minutes. But it is what it is. It is not fun having two houses, trust me. It is not fun having two houses. This is the reason why. Because we are acting as our own property managers, and this is why. But thank y'all for watching. Have a great evening.